If you have not subscribed, please do so right now. It's important for your subscription for the channel to grow. And if you want to see more great videos like this, please hit the notification bell so you will be notified when new content is uploaded. Big up on yourself.
How make you look at me, son? It's something I think about, you know. Now look at me, son, man.
I spoke out the road, look at me, son. Where you talk about?
Things are get too sticky, you know. And I can't take them life no more. One of my friends did tell me about one program overseas. I did start look about if you go, and the people them call me.
Something with them pick apple.
It's a program thing. Hotel me I go work, you know. You understand? I don't know how long I go stay, because maybe I'll do extension. Because that's some real money I want. Work. I need some new things in my house. I feel like my dad want a car. But John won't start. I go want a lot of things. And if things work out and money are run, I go send money come give you. And you do what I tell you to do with it. And I have a strong feeling that things are going to work out, you know. You just have to have faith and pray. Prayer is the best thing ever. Enough people they down here so, and when they look then they up there so.
So when I'm going?
I people them here wait for to call me, you know.
So how long you stay?
Well, when I go do the interview and come back, you will know, because them are going to tell me. We know the procedure. Once you, yeah, and we after the interview on time, else I go miss out a lot. So as soon as I go interview, then I make you know. See? So it's a 9-month thing, some of them are 6 months, and some program a 1 year ago for me. I don't know how long I go do for until I go.
I must say I love you and you alone with David, you know. How am I going to make it out?
Don't worry about that, man. You know you don't have me already. I'm there for you and my daughter. I go away and make sure say we life alright. You know, say we are suffering, we are struggle. I can't take this as struggling no more. Somebody have to do something before something happen to them. What you want me do? You want me quit it and don't go on it, me and you and my daughter suffer? You feel say that would work out? Me tired of beg me neighbor little salt. One onion, all them something that was so cheap we can't buy. Me need to go do something because you now work and me get one opportunity. You know feel say me should have go to make we have a better life.
Go on, man. A good opportunity that, man. You see me? Get a bus in your life, just take it and go on. You see me? Not try.
Me don't want you to worry about nothing too tough, you know. Just take care of my daughter. Please, me I beg you. Make sure say she alright and everything good between the house and my daughter. And just take care of yourself. I go come back, man.
Just consider that done.
Alright.
See him?
Yeah, man. So,
I'm there on the front, man.
I'll fold up some clothes out there, some. Okay.
Alright.
Yo, bro.
What is?
As somebody tell me say you say they have me say me I come get one link.
I will tell you which part I'm there now.
You know say still I nothing can hide still cause everybody say boy you go out with a bag of things dog.
Why? You know, we have to do what we have to do, you know. And you know, I go, believe kills, believe cures, you see me? So really and truly is a service me I provide, you know, and hear them attack, you know. Yahoo boys, modern thing man, modern thing, me use my computer, so no, in aisle business and them something, you see me? It's a service me I provide really and truly, and it'll work out. Everybody said, believe kills, believe cures.
Go and do what you do. Me can't fight against what you do. And if me and nobody want no great works done, you know if you send them.
You have to know who and who you tell about the thing, you know, you see me? Because I not even want it too loud up, because see me no highest no flag. It's not a corporate business, you get what I say?
Alright, dear thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, best of yourself, Zane.
Best of yourself, man.
Alright.
No, so I really like it though, because a long time I'm single, you know, and I think a time for me really get a nice little girlfriend and all. What do you think?
Me? I don't do something. I don't want no man straight book work me a focus on. So, leave it for later. And mother say me not fit talk to no dirty foot kind of boy.
So who you call dirty foot kind of boy?
You.
Look at me. Look at me good. Do you call me dirty foot kind of boy? Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm me really like you. Stop the foolishness, man. And give me a chance. If I'm playing it, 10-10. Relax. What you mean, sir? Relax, man.
Me can't be friends. Friends alone.
10-10. Stop the foolishness, man. What you want me to do? You want me to rub your foot for you? And catch chocolate for you when I do me? Eh? What you want?
My mother still get box to go.
Think of high school days about money just one time. Come do it.
My mother still get box, so I don't really want a man.
10-10.
Photo filters. Yes, mommy?
We stand up on the roadside with Jutta never for.
Tree, science.
Science work.
Science.
Human resources.
Human.
Yeah.
10-10.
I
You look like a liar, little. Come right here, so to me.
Mommy,
Come. Right here, so. 10-10. You
Yes,
know
ma'am.
when you tell lie, I'm me and your mother. You understand? This a boy you no education in dunce. Look on him good. A dirty Brian. Jutta nephew. And them a kind of low class. Cho, 10-10. If me lick you, you put a tan way in there and feel it. 10-10, you see them, turn up girl. Where they go? Them a boy, yeah. Look on his foot. Look on his clothes. Look on his head, look like he no come from last year. Come back up here so to me.
I call dirty foot kind of boy. And you take up my uncle. David have lived with them and you down there. But you're not much better than your daughter down there. Eh?
Billy boy, me and you on a size. Yes, me there with your dirty foot uncle. But me no want my daughter come do what me do. So shut your clappers. Me not talk to you. You know, say them a dirty foot boy and go run corner, go turn up a bar. And when they see them bridge in a pass, beg you $100 no?
You never see me a bar yet.
Beg you a spliff. You can't give me one whistler. Buy me a drink no? A them the dirty sore foot boy, the big old thinking ganga. A them a sore foot boy you want?
Jesus Christ, I want a wicked.
10-10.
yes, mommy.
When me tell us about your book?
You must take me book at all times.
When me tell us about education and future and whatever.
Education is the key to success.
So your success is right yourself.
No, mommy.
If I box you put a time in there feel it good on in a yard. Me ain't no size, you know. Go on this party there. You hear me I tell you? As long as you see me daughter, don't even look on her. Jutta, me need you to tell your nephew to leave me daughter alone. Me just a come and see them up on the roadside up there so I talk. Me not understand. I look your nephew, I look my daughter. And me no in that.
Boy, they too enough, you know. Go chat to him, you know. Can you see me here there already? Yo. Say no scenario in our yard.
You know see she pass come in here. Me send her down. She not inside the house.
Me go chat to him and then me go deal with that boy them, man. No worry yourself.
Me not understand Brian. Brian I don't know class a boy with me one day with my daughter, you know.
I don't know class. I'm just family. Dave, no worry yourself. Me deal with that. Yeah. No worry.
10-10.
Yes, mommy.
Me I look about to go with a program overseas. The farmer thing. Right now, no food no in our house. I don't know me I go look about you later for eat. See there, you get through figure college and me can't start to pay for the fee, nor buy book, nor nothing at all. You understand? And the distance where me live from the college, it makes sense to make your board in and me not have the money neither, so you're not going to get figure right now. So when me get through and go overseas, hopefully things work out nice and alright, you can get figure. But remember, when me gone, nobody put no man by your head.
I don't put no man by me head because you did tell me before to focus on school so I get my degree and so now, see, I can help you in my life. I know so we never have it.
10. Nobody can't tell me say you not do it, you know. And then you go behind me back and chat to man, you know. And when me come back, you're all pregnant. Remember, say we no have it. I go overseas, we go work to make we life better. You understand? So nobody farm fool like yourself and make them boy out a road trick you. So me I gonna leave you with your stepfather. And anything he tell you if you do it. What me say?
You say anything you tell me if you do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anytime your stepfather talk to you, make sure you say listen. Nobody disobey him, you know. You know your real father, you know. You need to listen to him. You understand me? And don't make me have to call him and him tell me say 10 this, 10 that. Make sure you say you have manners to your stepfather. And what me tell you before, anything he tell you to do it.
Yes,
You understand?
Yeah.
A month time, me go send money come give him to give you. So you take it and buy a little stuff them like your perfume roll and lotion and food to eat. You know, to keep you until the next month.
Yes,
But nobody waste out the money, because remember, say we not have you try, me I go try. To make we live a better life. You understand me?
Me not do that, me not follow no friend.
Alright, then don't worry yourself. Come go on inside. Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Have one.
Mm-mm.
I'm not going to tell you though.
Oh, you do miss me, I like how me miss her. I miss her, you know?
I miss your mother too, yes. It's not that I come to tell you about. No, say I want you though.
Want me? What you mean by want me? My mother not even gone good. But want me, I am my stepfather. No do that, man. No do that.
A long time I want you, man. I just show your mother there, man. You see me? I'm here you fear flick, man.
No, that can't work. My mother trust you. She left me with you. And my mother do everything for me because right now you don't have a stable income. No, I can't work with
You're
that.
the best virgin, man. Question.
No, I don't feel comfortable.
I know where you come, but take off your slippers. Alright, come now. As I say, know where you come, but just to make sure, I want to tell me.
I'm a stepdaughter, man. I like her still, no, but she not give me the right vibes. So. Me that one, you know them.
Alright, stop, right, that's all. She not give you vibes, but you want her. You do everything and she not give you the right vibes, not true? And that really I go on.
Yeah, man.
Tell us I know where you come about. So here we go. I know I'm probably used to old style, but see me have one bad pan around there, so condemn that. You know, use that again, my boss. You see me? Chip. So when me want you to do now, tell me all the way you want. I'm going to program it in a one chip. I'm going to tell you how to install it. So everything work out how you want it. You understand what I say? So all of them something that you see. But them used to use wash, kill, chicken and all them something. We don't do them something there again, a modern time. You understand me? So a technology. So tell me fullness how I go on now, my boss.
I just want she love me. And just love me.
So you're sure so you know I'm a program some cooking in night too and clean house?
With everything, man. Yeah, man. Everything go with love, man.
Alright, my boss. Let me tell you something. You see how the new modern Obeahman thing work?
Just do it, man.
You have to be specific because a ones and zero we work with. You understand me? So if you not tell me, I can't put it on the chip. You see me?
Do it, man.
Alright, so cooking and love you. Alright. What IP address? No, sorry. I know you're not used to that one. Which part she live? Smash it.
Run a red ground, man.
Oh, red ground. Yeah, man, red ground. See, come up. Oh, don't look over there. So, yeah, done, you know, you have everything.
Yeah, man. Thing live, man. See it, man. Yeah, man. See it.
Alright. So, see it, you know. Hold on, man. You gotta drop it in her ears when she asleep. You understand me? And you gotta set an alarm. As a matter of fact, left it there so. Drop it in her ears when she asleep. Alright?
Alright.
Oi, hold on, man. You go one way, man, you know, you go back that side, man. One way in, you go back the next way. That side, me, general.
You alright?
Yeah, me alright. Mm-hmm.
What? You alright?
That's alright now. One on belly cramp, not even legs me can't lock.
For yourself, man. Soon get used to it, you see me?
You can't take time more well, man. And the next thing, you know, see if you go start use condom door.
What do you mean condom? You sweeter without condom, man.
It's sweet about me now want to get pregnant. I mean, I don't know when mommy I come here.
But say a long time me a grow me up, you know. Soon get some real money. Me I can run away. You see?
What you mean run away?
I mean, run we gone, the badness you again up on them side. Now if you worry yourself about none of this, man. Me yeah, them and me I just to make she send money I don't know, man.
So what that say?
Worry about your mother, man.
Wait there, mommy I call.
10.
Yes, mommy?
What? You alright?
Yeah, me alright. What about you?
Me good, man, but you me not hear from you. Me I wonder if you're alright or what. You don't know if you call me if I have every other 2 days.
Mommy, internet now works so good. I'm not credit on the phone.
Okay, anyway, me call see if you have no money leave out of the money when me did send come give you, it finished. No stocking at the house or what.
Yes, mommy, money finished.
The food stuff them done in the house and everything?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. You eat from morning?
Yes, mommy, did drink like a porridge this morning.
So where's stepfather there?
In the outside.
Me soon come look for you here?
Yeah, they alright differently?
Me alright, man. Me soon come look for you, but you know me can't just leave and come look for you, so me have to go to work. Me have to go ask you sometime.
And then you go look for me?
Yes, me go ask you sometime and come look for you, but different from that, yeah, me go send some money come give you.
Yeah.
Yes, either me send it to you or to your stepfather. So, where your stepfather there? I want to talk to him.
Alright, me go carry phone go give him.
Alright then.
Mama wants to talk to you now.
Babes.
Yeah, hello. What? You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright, man. Where are you, babes?
You know some me there you me I think about?
Miss you, man. John no star, I said even know.
Me not think you... Huh? Me not think you miss me like how me miss you. Me miss you bad. Me can't wait to come home and give you some of my good something.
So you're on the weather over there?
You know, say, Mick boy, you know the place cold already. You know the heap of snow and something over here cold bad right now. A hoodie me have to put on. Me cool and me have on the next marina underneath it. Me cool. So till we have to turn on the heater in the house.
John, no, me sure dead if you give some of my warmness.
God no, but know yourself, man. Me already have file for you. Me miss you, you know, me well want to see you, but me have to go ask you sometime at my workplace. You know, me can't just left and come, so. Me will try and ask them if they can give me some time, so me can take a vacation and come look for you.
So you have a different though.
Anyway, you see the furniture them in the house? You know, say some old furniture, me go want to change them out. Me plan to send some money come give you. Me definitely go send some money come give you, and me go send as much money come give you for you change out the furniture them, and me want you buy one nice car, because when me come, you can drive me around in it and stuff like that. And make sure you say you're not done money. As a matter of fact, me go send as much money where you can put some in a bank. No use her, you know, and waste out where in a bank, you know, use when me tell you to use.
Long time if you do them something them man. A foreign a day no be.
Look here, listen to me carefully. Remember when me just come up, me could not send so much money. Now, you know, so everything alright, you know. Me I get the right pay when me supposed to get for a long time when they hold back from me. Just listen what me I say, man, and do what me say. Me I go send as much money come give you.
When you're done, just WhatsApp me paper. I don't have your phone number I just already.
A Western Union, me I go send the money through.
Alright, now say a word.
Babes,
Yeah.
make sure you say you take care of your stepdaughter, you know. And make sure you say she not have no man down there.
Them no must do that man after me no hear that.
You don't want she keep no man and you... Listen to me. Don't make she trick you. Me no want she keep no man down there and mess up her education, you know, because she need to done college first and get a proper job. You understand?
Let me say she govern man. You talk back to her.
Yeah, me talk to her. And anyway, babes, you know, so I love you and I miss you bad. So, as soon as me send the money...
When I send money, I FaceTime me.
Alright, cool. Alright, take care. Love you, babe. Alright, bye.
Mother says she want to talk back to you.
Yeah.
Me go send money to your stepfather. When he collect him, I go give you yours. So you make sure you say you have everything when you want, and just take care of yourself until me come. Go and study. See?
Yes, me take care of yourself too.
Yeah, man, always. And you know, say your mother love you and me with dead for you. To everything, thick and thin. And be careful of the dirty man them out the road.
Yes, mommy, I love you too.
Alright. Make sure.
Yeah.
Education is the key and you want that. You don't need no man right now. So love you. And bye. Me call you again, here.
Alright, mommy, love you.
Alright, bye-bye. Love you too. Bye.
Uncle Jutta! Uncle Jutta!
Yo. Oh.
Good evening.
Oh, I'm going to nephew. Come in, come sit down, man.
Good evening, Uncle.
Yeah, David.
We're 10-10 there.
Where you come ask the 10-10 for? Yeah, I saw me you come about, or 10-10 you come fast for?
Uncle, why can't be your son? 10-10 a big girl, you know. Eh? You move some mean and you alone know I'm going in your family, uncle. You move some man.
Her mother not there. And I have to ensure that she alright. So when you come right, you say, come go like say you want to mash up my stepdaughter.
Uncle, stop the foolishness, man. What do you think I'm going to do to 10-10? 10-10 a big girl, man. You say, run. You move some. It may have family, you know, man. You should have grateful, so what? You see me? Stop one, some man.
Watch out. No, man. It's too close. That too close, brother. Me done there with the mother already. Me don't want no more family coming out. Me don't want no more family in that, brother. Yes, I say if I something you come for, you come for something, you know. But I say, if I that you come about, just go on up back to your mother. You hear me say? Go on up back to your mother, you.
Uncle, I don't like how you're moving now, uncle. But alright, here, look more. But just tell her something calling, here. You give me 1,000 now.
Go on up to your mother.
1,000.
Go on up to your mother.
You know, say you never give me no head, uncle. Anyways, tell her somebody calling card, here.
Right now, turn on. Jutta!
Yo.
Jutta!
Yeah.
Come here now.
Oh.
The plate them want wash out, but the pipe now turn on. No one.
I have to go call one plumber.
Call him there. Cause something them have to wash out.
Papa, you know, say me have one pipe problem around, so more come sort it out for me. Yeah, man, me dey on the ends away for you, man. Forward now. Alright. So give me about 5 minutes, yeah?
Alright.
Good.
Jutta! Jutta!
Yo!
Come in, man, run the back. Come, time, man. Come, ready, you know. Where pipe?
Yo, see pipe then.
Alright, we go on. Check it out.
It's so cool.
Alright, yes.
To them, me never come over here. Come and ask for you. But 10 there, me know why you make them look a young boy come between me and your thing, you know. Because I saw things set, you know. You know, say me love you, you know.
A young boy can't come jam me and tell me or influence me and convince me. Here, me have made for my body. You say I just me and you, so I just me and you. Me don't want nobody else.
Yes.
Yeah?
Jutta!
Yo, may I come there? What you say now?
You know, sir, you want 2 coupling and an elbow. He definitely need a washer. But yeah, me say no. I know me a plumber, me should have come with me too, but same thing for everybody in the yard. Don't you have one axe blade and tantric? You see me? So if anything happens, we can fix up in the night. Alright, get them there, but definitely you need a washer. You're going to go all and drink. My nerves, they bother me right, tell you. Just get a washer. Washer is the main thing.
You know, see your uncle stepdaughter get round and nice, boy.
Yo, I'll be tell you. I go down there this morning. I say, oh, I go check her, and my uncle are going to say, no, I want to see her. I come talk about, I'm one alone for in there with him alone for in the house as man. I say, uncle, may I cut me your nephew? You man, me not care. Yeah, man big and foolish man for my uncle, you see. Actually, my uncle, you know, me just top him down and go in if he's dead. Yo, man big, you know, man.
Yo, my dogs!
Where man?
You know what I think we have to talk to you? Very important.
Yo, me link here.
Ah, not a 40.
Alright, bless up. What you have to tell me now?
Well, you don't know, say your uncle down there. And there with him and the daughter.
What you say to me?
Me say, God no, the man down there. And me hear when he was tell her saying love her and you know want no young boy there with her. Me never know say your uncle and raise her. For himself.
So that's why when time I go down there, I can't go on. You know, he man don't want me to see her none at all. Yo, I'm an uncle, I give him a big story in there. Yo, John knows star.
A dirty style lad. If you're a stepfather, you play a stepfather role. Low man out the road, make them plum garden.
And the man, me if you call the man uncle and the man not wouldn't want me to chat to him. What kind of man that man?
But you know if you go there, call your uncle stepdaughter too. The whole on is a dirty bungle. That's why I tell you to buy one washer, you know. You deserve a washer. But anyway, buy it. I go buy a whole of drink because you see this what happen to me, so. Aside from nastiness.
Alright, do it.
You want a whole of drink and come back and fix him pipe. But tell him to go buy a washer, but we know you don't understand washer, you know. I wash me one thing, wash out in dirtiness. You need one too, buy one large one. Hold on.
Girl, I'm not safe on the road from when what happened? I don't say nothing to what I know because of online school. I don't know. I hardly go out anyways. So you good though? I just very wrong in my life though. I want to tell you. But I don't want you to tell nobody. You know, so me not tell nobody. You know, say I'm with me and my stepfather though.
What happened with you and your stepfather?
And my stepfather, I do some things on the right.
Wait. Don't tell me say you and your stepfather have sex.
You never mean for happening, a girl.
You don't know better than that.
Why me don't even know?
That not right at all still. If you do something about it, if you stop what you do. But anyways, I can go. I can go up and before you come back down.
Alright then.
But anything I can call you.
Yeah. You don't have to tell nobody, you know?
No, you know, me not do that.
Alright.
Ashley, babe. Ashley, watch out. What happened?
There, man, where I go?
You good? You know, so me have something to tell you, do.
Hope I don't know bad news, you know. But the food that don't taste bad already.
Give me it if it tastes bad. But anyways, okay, you can't such a good food. But anyways,
Yeah.
you just say, why piece of mix up it tell you, but I can't tell that nobody, you know.
What going?
You know, say, you know, Juta,
Yeah.
Candy,
Yeah.
that and in daughter. You know, say Candy no there.
Yeah.
And you know, say Candy daughter and Juta there.
Yeah.
You don't know, say Juta and Candy daughter there.
You too lie.
Yes, I saw me here. Me couldn't believe.
Me can't believe it either.
The man, I know that the man is a dirty man.
Dirty
No,
boy.
sir.
But all that the woman they him no better than him man. Oh, if he left him daughter with his stepper.
Yes, that's true. But remember saying she not gonna know because she not there. But anyways, me a rush go home. Can see food.
Go on. No foolish that thing.
Ashley B. What going, girl?
Yo, come here.
Yo, where you come from?
No son, me call I don't know foolish. Yo.
Wait time.
Yeah, your people them are son dirty bungle. Your uncle there with the mother and him there with the daughter. And what kind of dirty lifestyle you know I live down there, so?
Don't come mix me up with me uncle with him like a dirty foot corner boy style. You hear me I tell you? No bother with it. Cause same thing Papa you can't tell me say my uncle I'm away from that and I don't let me I can go right now too. I fool my uncle take me for watch it right now down let me I can go right now. Yo.
Yeah, big up yourself. That's some dirty foot corner boy style them there. You know love it.
Yeah, pick up yourself.
Yeah.
Yo. Oh, man. Oh, you pass me so you see me at so.
Uncle, no bother with it. You can't want the two of them to yourself.
Where you talk about?
You think me not here on the street? Oh, you done you go on, eh? And I make me get blame for it with family? You know easy.
Yo, come on to me house. Come and know where you talk to. Come on, man.
Easy, man. You're too selfish. And you move like saying like a dirty foot corner boy. You think you're easy? 10.
No, man. Come on. Come on to me house.
Uncle, easy yourself.
Come on to
Easy
me place.
yourself.
No, man. Come on.
Oh, you be oh, you deal with yourself.
What you want to do? Come mash up me and my stepdaughter.
Uncle, easy yourself, man.
Mash, you don't want to mash up me and my stepdaughter. You want to see me and my stepdaughter move good.
Uncle, so I can't deal with me, sir.
Bad mind on a bad mind, man. I don't like on a bad mind in our community, man. You come and say a fight, you want to fight against me and my stepdaughter. Like you want to beat me up. You see him? Spread a room upon me. You know what I tell you, say? Just don't come back in the yard, you youth. Just no matter come back, yes, man.
All right.
Stay around your mother. Don't come back over the yard.
How this I call me? I don't know this a strange number, yeah. Hello?
Auntie Candy.
Who this?
Brian, man. Juta nephew. Juta nephew.
Oh. What one? You alright?
No, you're not alright, you know.
What happened to you now?
Alright, cause you know what say.
the whole community have this stink. Say Uncle Juta a sex of 10-10. He not to come over there and look at 10-10 or nothing like that. I mean a 10-10
What?
together. Auntie, true something, but no tell me, see me tell you, Don't tell me, see me tell you.
You sure? You sure what you just say?
Me say it stink down your auntie. It stink down here right now in the veranda over there me I come from and you want to hear man deal with me now, auntie?
Me not hear you so good. How where you get that the story there from?
Yeah, it come like me have to send you one voice note then I make you hear what I go on fully.
Jesus Christ.
Come off right.
Alright, no worry yourself. Me not go tell him say me hear it from you.
But when I come now.
You know, so me not really want to tell nobody when me I come. And it worse, so you can't give me this a whole shocking story where me can't believe.
Auntie, you can't one bad boy cologne for me. I want Clarks.
Me don't buy Clarks for you. And me did already have some cologne, so when me come, me give you one of them.
Alright.
Alright then, take care of yourself and thanks to tell me.
Alright, but no tell me, say me tell you, Alright. Alright.
Babe.
Hello?
Wagwan.
Juta,
Me I hear you now, Wagwan, where you deal with?
what kind of news that me hear about you and my daughter down there? Say you have sex with my daughter and it spread all over the place. Everybody know about it. Me not understand. What go on?
Where you talk? They don't know say beer people are going to tell lie for me. After them see me and the girl I move good. You don't know that too.
Juta, you sure say you and my daughter no in no argument? Like no relationship, nothing at all?
Me hear nothing already. What me hear that I nothing for?
Well, listen to me. Just listen to me. Cause right now, me no want to get too confused, over the situation where you're going, Somebody call me out of the blues and tell me, say you involved with my daughter. You and her in a big, strong relationship. You understand? So me want to know if it's true. That's the reason why I call you.
Nothing like that. You hear me say? Nothing like that.
Me know say I saw people them in my community stay. But no worry yourself.
Alright, babe.
I believe you, no worries. Alright, take care.
Love you, yeah.
I love you too.
Love how you humble yourself, isn't it? And ease yourself and even gone away from where you.
Yeah, man, anything for you.
Like how you make me just in a control and everything now. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just make sure so we got a beach, isn't it? That weekend, yeah.
Oh, so I true. Okay.
Nothing like that, man. Nothing like that, man. A buck or two buck off and I try to look on it fair.
Juta, me can't believe say that they with me and they with me daughter. This not right at all. This a past disgrace. You can't stay in here. You have to take your clothes them and come out. And a matter of fact, when me money when me send come give you buy car and change the piece of all dirty furniture them when me have how much years now. What you do with it? God, you know if I uncle me daughter you stay with. Maybe you there with the whole community. A idiot to take me for Jutta. So you take all of my money when me go work in a coal and come back now and think that everything alright. Listen, you have to go come out and you call police for you.
Me did buy one car. See it out this side, the crash. You see me? I'm pretending to the furniture them. Furniture man not done yet with them.
Me no care what you want to say. You a dirty dog. All drunk have ambition more than you. You see how I don't fly. You is a wicked man. After me, I take care and I treat you so good. You go sleep with me daughter? 10. Tell me what go on here so I don't understand.
Me don't even know what happened. Me don't know.
10.
Me did tell him me never alright with you and he said everything I gonna be alright, mommy.
Me shame of you. You're a big girl. You should have known better than that. Me shame of you. Me know you reach the age of consent and me tell you when me I go say you no fit have no man, you fit take your book and study. So you come out successful in a life and I'm a man you're there with. 10, you should have known better than that. You see all you Jutta, you need to come out of my place.
Where you expect me to do? Me the lonely. Where you want to do? Go to the road.
10, come sit down right here, so. You get as much lick from him when they gone. Come sit down here, so. Right here, so. 10.
Me never meant for you. Me don't even know how it happened. I swear to you.
Alright, listen to me. You are my daughter. And you don't have nowhere else to go more than right here, so. Me can't put you out on the road sake of one man, one dirty dog, man. He mind dirty and he corrupt because he older than you. Him should have know better. And if he never do this to you, me not like him and me not want to see him again. All me know me want back my money when me send come give him to buy the car and the furniture them. Anyway, don't worry yourself about it. Me not go lick you. Me not do nothing to you. Me not beat you, nothing at all. You know say me love you, right?
Yes, mommy.
Me love you, you know? Me really and truly love you. But please, me I beg you, don't make this happen again. You understand me?
Yes,
Alright, come.
If you're watching me at the end of the video, it simply means you have watched the entirety of the video. So thank you for sticking around and watching the video. Thank you very much. And if you watch a video and